In this video, I'm going to show you how to play two-player Cuphead Steam. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works if you're using a computer or laptop, as long as you have Steam and you are playing Cuphead. So click on Start, select the save that you want to play with your friend. Okay, so select your character. Now you will come to your save. Now you just need to invite your friend. To make this, you need to press Shift plus Tab and click with the right button on the friend that you want to play. You will see the option Remote Play Together. To invite someone to Remote Play Together, you need to be online on Steam. So click on Remote Play Together, ask your friend to accept your invite. Then you can play Cuphead with two players on Steam. Okay, you just need to ask your friend to accept. Come on the face, just click to play, then you will see that you are playing with your friend. Okay, I hope I helped you on how to play two-player Cuphead Steam. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.